Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to make this wonderful PowerPoint slide within just 3 minutes. Open a slide and click Insert. Go to Media. Video. Stock video. Select a video as you like. Insert it. Now insert a rectangle covering your entire slide. Remove the shape outline. Now change the color of the shape. Insert a text box and write your required text. After that, change the color, font, size, and position of the text. Select the rectangle shape and then the text box. Go to Shape Format. Click on Merge Shapes. Select Subtract. Right-click on the shape and select Format Shape. Select Shadow and give an inner shadow. Now adjust the shadow. Click on Slideshow. So this slide is ready. Comment your thoughts about this slide and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.